Hello, I'm Shane from theamazingweb.com. Today I will show you how to create a simple web page that can be displayed in Internet Explorer, Netscape, Firefox, and most other browsers out there. Before I begin, I'd also like to point out that you do not really need any special programs such as Dreamweaver or FrontPage to create a web page. Those programs make it very easy to create entire web applications. But for the aspiring web developer, I suggest learning the basics using a simple text editor such as Notepad. Today, we will begin by creating a simple HTML file. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML files contain markup tags, which tell the browser how to display the page. As you can see here, I have Notepad open and ready to go. The first tag in an HTML file is the HTML tag. And the last tag in the HTML file is the closing HTML tag. These tags tell the browser where the HTML file begins and where it ends. The next tag that we will type is the opening and closing head tags. These tags contain the header data. Among other things, the title of the page can be specified between these tags. So I'll go ahead and specify a title. So in between the head tags, I will put a title tag, closing title tag, and we will call this page my first web page. Finally, we will put the body tags. Opening body tag and closing body tag. Everything between the body tags will be displayed in the browser. And let's go ahead and type something here. We'll type That's all you really need for a simple web page. You have your HTML tags, your head tags, your title tag, and your body tag. Now we must save the file with a .htm or a .html extension. With Notepad, you can click Save As and then give the file a name with the extension of choice. You can use either the .htm or .html extension. Both will display in the browser. Usually the standard file name for the first web page in the website is called index.htm or index.html. So I will go ahead and name it that way. I previously saved this file, and as you can see here, it's already listed as index.htm. And an important step to note is that this save as type must be listed in Notepad as all files. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll go ahead and hit the save. Since I already had it there, I'll go ahead and replace it. And that's all there is to it. Now that we have created our file, it's time to test it. And we can do this by opening the file in any browser. And in my case, I have Internet Explorer open, so I'll go ahead and browse to the file and open it up. And I save that on the desktop. And here it is, index.htm. So let's go ahead and open that up and see what it looks like. And voila. As you can see here, hey, this is my very first web page. That's what we typed in between the body tags. And if you look up here, my first web page, this is the title of the page. Remember, we typed this in between the title tags. An easy way to see this is to go under View, Source, and you can see what we typed in earlier. All our tags, everything we typed in. And this is a neat little trick to learn HTML. Matter of fact, this is the way I learned it. I would go to web pages on the net and just view the source code and see how they did different things. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for visiting theamazingweb.com, and we hope that you learned something today. Take care.